in people's health. Well, if you say it's a community-based association, we cannot be far from the truth. But what we know that this is a group that has taken upon itself anything that has to do with the health of the people. And we may want to know about the group beyond what I've just told you. So we have somebody in the studio. And of course, the group is Favor, Kindness, and Grace Foundation. It's a foundation on its own. So join me in welcoming Mr. Shayo Ogundeji.
Thank you very much.
Good morning.
Mr. Shayo, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, madam.
Yeah, that little I know about Favor, Kindness, and Grace Foundation, I have told the viewers they still want to know more about what has given birth to Favor, Kindness, and Grace Foundation.
Okay, thank you very much. Basically, Favor, Kindness, and Grace Foundation is an organization, is an NGO, a non-profitable organization that is set up to cater for educational sector, people who don't have the wherewithal to go to school, and at the same time to cater for people who have health challenges. And basically, what this foundation is set up for is just for them to help the people who don't have the wherewithal to get these things done in terms of education and in terms of health care. So the foundation is set up to cater for these needs and not without collecting a dime from anybody. So basically what this fair is all about, Omoba Dotumbabayemi is an indigenous of this town.
We are coming to that.
Okay, so basically that is what the health fair is all about.
Let's talk about the spread. Is it community-based? Is it statewide, national, or international?
Okay, basically as it is now is still within the particular about four local government at the moment. We have the intention of spreading across the entire state. So we are starting currently with 4 local governments. We will expand to 10 local governments, and at the end of the day, we'll cover the entire state.
Okay, you mentioned that over the years, the NGO has basically been dealing with how to help the less privileged in society. And this time around, what are you planning to do?
Okay, like I said, this is not the first time that we are into this. We've been doing this for the past 5 years. But basically, we felt okay. We started within our local communities. Charity begins at home. So basically, we felt okay. We've been able to reach out to a number of people. Then we now felt okay. Since God had actually blessed us, then it is high time we decided to expand our scope. So that is exactly what we want to do now. And the health fair, it covers a lot of things, because what we were doing before, it's now bigger than what we were doing. What we want to do now is bigger than what we were doing before. So now there are a lot of things. It's going to cater for people who have eye defect, people who have malaria, people who have typhoid, people who have all sorts of ailments. So it's an avenue for them to come around, not just for them to be diagnosed that, okay, look, this is exactly what is wrong with you, but at the same time to provide solutions and give them drugs that would definitely cater for those ailments. Take for instance, for people who have eye defect, we have eyeglasses. We've been doing this for the past 5 years, like I said. So it's still the same thing, but we've tried to, enlarge the scope so that a lot of people will benefit. As a matter of fact, what we are looking at is to probably cater for at least no less than 15,000 people for this health fair.
That's
okay.
Large.
You have continued to attribute everything to we. Who are we? And who is the arrowhead of the foundation?
Okay, the foundation stands on its own, so that is exactly where I'm going. Omoba Dotumbabayemi is from Bongo. Is the son of the immediate past Olufi of Bongo, Dr. Solomon Babayemi. Is the one that actually started this. Basically because of the way he grew up, his father was an Oba, and people used to come around, he was a father to everybody. So apparently he had actually imbibed this culture, and he felt, look, if I could provide for my family, and probably I have a little extra, then I think I should be able to bless some people. So that was the initial plan, and that is why I said we've been doing this for the past 5 years. We've been doing scholarship from primary to tertiary education. We've been supporting a lot of people, and widows who don't have anything to do. In terms of welfare, we try as much as possible to support them. We've been doing a lot of things. So at the time, we've been doing this for the past 5 years, and just felt, look, okay, why don't you just, broaden our scope So that was why we tried to partner with this NGO now. So we are the one partnering with the NGO to make sure that what we have been doing, we try to expand so that a lot of people will benefit from it.
So when you talk about expansion, which communities do you intend to cover this time around?
Okay, thank you very much. Currently, like I said, we started, like I said earlier, that charity begins at home. We've been doing it within our local community. So what we want to do now is to expand it to 4 local government. The 4 local government that are involved, Ayedade local government, Ishokon local government, then Irewole local government, and Iwo. So these are the 4 local government that will be covered for the time being. And the program is, now that we've started this on a larger scale, it's going to be an annual event. Yes, so that's exactly what we want to do now.
Okay, you said you were targeting about 15 people.
Exactly.
If you have to come out with this kind of laudable program, more than 100,000 people might come out, and you are targeting 15,000. You should have criteria for selecting those you really want to benefit. Don't you have?
Yes, exactly. What we have done, thank you very much for the question. What we have done, we also envisaged what you just put up now. What we have done is to try as much as possible to reach out to different people, different obas, different people. We've actually sent out a letter to say, okay, look, this particular area, please, we need so number of people. This particular area, we need so number of people. There's any possibility for that to go, the number to go over what we have actually envisaged, and that is exactly why we've actually tried as well to partner with the Faculty of Clinical Sciences under College of Health Sciences and the Osun State Hospital Management Board. These are the
College of Sciences, which university?
OAU, Obafemi Awolowo University. So we've tried to partner with them. They are going to give us health experts. They will be the one that will come around to diagnose and to actually provide solutions to whatever issues that may be discovered during this health fair. So we are ready for that, and we hope that come next year it will even be more than this.
Now, what are the locations for the different local governments?
Okay, the fair is going to be a 12-day event. It's going to start on the 22nd of November, and it's going to end on the 3rd of December. Like I said, it's going to cover 4 local governments. There are different areas where this health fair that's going to take place.
22nd of November is on which day?
22nd of November is on Wednesday, 22nd of November, 2017, and it's going to end on the Sunday, 3rd of December, 2017.
So which local government is going to be the?
Okay, the fair is going to take off at Ayedade, that is Gbongan, Ayedade local government in Gbongan. The location is at St. Paul's Cathedral in Gbongan. Okay. So that is where it's going to kick off on the 22nd of November. Then the next day we're going to go to Ode-Omu. Ode-Omu is going to happen at the location for that is a community hall in Ode-Omu. And on Friday, the 24th of November, Ode-Omu Tonkere, it's going to hold at the town hall. That's where the people are going to converge for them to be attended to. Then we move on to the local government. There are different locations. So Gbongan Wakajaye, this one is going to take place at Kabiyesi's Palace for the people of Gbongan Wakajaye on the 25th of November. That is on Saturday. Then on Sunday we move to Orile-Owu. Orile-Owu, that one, the location for that place is Court Hall in Orile-Owu. So it's going to, all these programs are going to start by 9 a.m. in the morning. So after Orile-Owu, we move to on Monday, the 27th of November, we move to Irewole Ikire. So this is going to also hold at the Palace Hall in Ikire. And the time for the program to start is still 9 a.m. Then on Tuesday, the 28th of November, it's still Irewole and Irewole Ikire, the same place again at the Palace Hall. So it's going to be 2 days allocated to Ikire. Then on Wednesday, the November 29th, is Irewole Odeyinka, that's in front of the palace as well. Then on Thursday, the November 30th, it will be the turn of Ishokon and Apomu. The location for this place is Apomu Hall. Then on the 1st of December, which is on Friday, it's the same place is for this local government, still Ishokon and Ikoyi. It will hold at the town hall. Then on Saturday, which is the 2nd of December 2017, it will happen in Iwo town. It will be the location will be at Iwo City Hall. And the last day, which is the day that the fair is going to end, we'll hold on the 3rd of December. It will still be at the Iwo Town Hall. Iwo Town Hall, the city hall in Iwo. So that is when the Earth Fair is going to come to an end. So it's a 12-day event.
Okay. You said the foundation really focuses education and health.
Exactly, sir.
Now, there is no way somebody of my age could come to approach you for a scholarship. Invariably, when it comes to education, you're targeting the younger ones who are indigent, who are poor. But when it comes to health, it's called across ages. Do you have barrier for health? Are you targeting younger people or older people?
Thank you very much. There's no barrier.
Okay.
It's meant for everybody.
It's open.
It's open to everybody. It's not limited to a particular set of people. It's open to everybody as long as you're an indigenous of the environment where this Earth Fair is going to take place.
Do you have other plans for probably those that have bigger health challenges that you cannot handle immediately at the venue of the event?
Exactly. This is it's also part of what we want to do. Those that can be catered for immediately, we will definitely do it right there on time. Those that probably they may need extensive surgeries, we are definitely ready to cater for them as well.
Okay. This is the first guest platform on Saturday Morning Trade this morning. We are hosting a non-governmental and non-profit organization, Favor, Kindness and Grace Foundation, whose arrowhead is Omoba Dotto Obabayemi, the son of the immediate past Olufi of Gogo. And we have our guest here, Mr. Shayo Okudeji, telling us about what the foundation is all about. We have seen so many things in our community. We have seen religious bodies coming up, so to speak. At times they won't sound religion, but it could be an Islamic religion, Islamic organization. They won't say it's Islamic, but by the time you get there, they say, oh, if you cannot pray with us, you can't benefit. At times you see, it could be a Christian organization. They may not say it's Christian, but by the time you get to say, if you don't do this, you cannot benefit. So let's look at that in the light of your own foundation.
Okay, it's not limited to a particular religion.
Okay.
As long as you are an indigenous of this state. So there's no religion, no discrimination at all whatsoever. Okay. Every single individual is entitled to come around and be attended to.
Okay, let me ask this question. If I have 1 or 2 people around me who are aged, so that even to walk 10 meters is a problem.
Okay.
So if I come to you, would there be facility to visit them at home, or we must just get them conveyed to the venue?
Okay, thank you very much. That's a very good question. What we can do in that situation, if maybe you can get in touch with us, we will be able to maybe bring these people, the experts
to the home.
Or better still, it depends on what is convenient. If maybe their health may not carry it, it will not be advisable for you to be carrying people that are not sound health-wise up and down. So we may actually come down to attend to them. Exactly, to attend to them.
Thank you very much. Is it going to be just a one-off thing, or do you intend to be doing that on a regular basis?
Okay, it's not a one-off thing. Just like I said earlier, it's going to be an annual event, and we've been doing this for the past 5 years. But this is the first time we say, okay, let's expand it. So it's going to be a continuous event. And I will pray that God help us to achieve that.
And at times you see this kind of foundation, by the time you get there, they ask you, which card of political membership do you have? They ask you, which political party do you belong, and do you have a membership card before you can benefit?
This is what you just talked about now has nothing to do with this. As long as you are an indigenous of the state and you reside within the local government that we currently cover now, the political party that you belong to doesn't matter. As long as you are an indigenous of this
local government.
Exactly, and your people can actually validate that, look, these people belong to this environment. We don't have any problem with that. It has nothing to do with any political party.
So ẹni tí àwọn gbà lálejò lásìkò yìí, àwọn náà ní Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Ṣayọ̀ Ògúndèjì. Wọ́n jẹ́ ọ̀kan pàtàkì ní ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ tí wọ́n jẹ́ Favor, Kindness and Grace Foundation, tí wọ́n ní láti ṣèrànlọ́wọ́ láwùjọ fún àwọn tí wọ́n ò tí ì rọ́wọ́ orí tó, pàtàkì jùlọ nípa ètò ẹ̀kọ́ àti ètò ìlera. Ẹ ṣeun, ẹkùn látàrọ. Ìgbà wo lẹ ti ń bàbọ̀? Báwo lẹ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀?
ok ó ti tó a ti ń ṣe ètò yìí ó ti tó bí ọdún 4 sí 5 sẹ́yìn à ń ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn tí wọ́n ní agbára láti lọ sí iléèwé láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ iléèwé alákọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé iléèwé gíga à ń ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn tí wọ́n ní tí ètò ìlera ń pè níjà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ lówó lọ́wọ́ láti lè lọ sí ilé ìwòsàn pé òkè o ẹ dákun ẹ tọ́jú mi so nǹkan tá a ti ń ṣe bọ̀ ní láti bí ọdún 5 sẹ́yìn ṣùgbọ́n lọ́wọ́ tá a wà yìí a wò pé òkè a ti ń gbìyànjú ilé Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ pé òkè ẹ jẹ́ ká fẹ́ lójú díẹ̀ sí káwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn kan lè jàǹfààní ètò yìí so nǹkan tá à ń ṣe nísìnyí báyìí ó di ju nǹkan tá à ń ṣe bọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ so torí èlé la ṣe tún a ṣe tún papọ̀ láti fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú foundation láti sọ pé òkè nǹkan báyìí la fẹ́ ṣe báyìí kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ó lè jàǹfààní ètò ìlera tá a gbé kalẹ̀.
ẹ ṣe gan ni ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa tẹ́ ń wò wá láti lé àǹfààní wà fún yín láti béèrè ìbéèrè kan tàbí méjì kí ẹ pè wá sí orí aago ẹ sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ fẹ́ lójú sí àwọn agbègbè wo lẹ fẹ́ fẹ́ dé.
ok ẹ ṣe olóòtú àwọn agbègbè tá a fẹ́ fẹ́ dé ó jẹ́ ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ 4 afẹ́fẹ́ láti ayédáadé torí ọmọọba babayẹmí ló ṣe agbátẹrù ètò yìí so a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ayédáadé tẹ́lẹ̀ tàti ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ torí ẹ̀ ni mo sọ pé afẹ́fẹ́ lójú sí so a máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ayédáadé a lọ sí Ìrèwọlé a lọ sí Ìṣọ̀kan àti Ìwó so ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ 4 tá ti fẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn so a sì nígbàgbọ́ pé
tá ti fẹ́ ṣe báyìí
lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí so tó bá ti yá ní in future a ní láti tún ṣe sí ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ 10 láti ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ 10 ìyẹn senatorial district then láti ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ 10 yẹn a ṣe kó kárí gbogbo ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun so nǹkan tá a ní lọ́kàn nìyẹn.
lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọba tí àwọn èèyàn bá gbọ́rọ̀ ètò ìkàlẹ́ rí pé nǹkan méjì lẹ́sọ ẹ̀ ní ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ àti ọ̀rọ̀ ìlera bàbá sọ̀rọ̀ ètò ẹ̀kọ́ àti lọ́rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ ọjọ́ orí wọn táwọn ìfà ṣùgbọ́n tó bá kan ètò ìlera síbẹ̀ náà ní só ní yọjú orí àwọn pé ẹ bá ti kọjá tó báyìí kó mọ̀ wá o.
rárá kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn láti ọ̀dọ̀ ọmọ kékeré tó fi dé àgbàlagbà ló lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti wá síbi ètò tá gbé kalẹ̀ yìí so kò dàbí ètò ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé ọmọ àtọ́yẹ kékeré lọ́mọ ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti máa lọ sí iléèwé tó fi máa dé iléèwé gíga ìyẹn à ń ṣètò yẹn lọ́tọ̀ bọ̀ fún ètò ìlera kò sẹ́ni tí ìlera ò lè pè níjà so ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó bá ti mọ̀ pé òun ní pè níjà nípa ètò ìlera ó lè wá síbi ètò tá gbé kalẹ̀ yìí.
ó dáa bàbá wa ní àwọn tí wọ́n ní pè níjà ìlera tí wọ́n pé àti rìn ó fẹ́ ṣe díẹ̀ fún wọn báwo la ṣe tá a bá sọ fún yín kí lẹ ṣe sí yín.
a máa gbìyànjú láti lè agbé mọ́tò sílẹ̀ láti lè wá tó bá jẹ́bi tẹ́ pé ó wà ní agbègbè ibi tá a ti ń ṣe nǹkan tá à ń ṣe yìí a máa gbé mọ́tò sílẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn elétò ìlera láti lè tẹ̀lé wa lọ síbẹ̀ láti lè wo bí ẹnìyẹn ṣe bí irú àìsàn tó ń ṣe ẹnìyẹn àní nǹkan tá a bá lè ṣe fún láti ran ẹnìyẹn lọ́wọ́ so kò ń ṣe dandan kó dìgbà pé tẹ́ bá gbé ẹnìyẹn wá tó bá jẹ́ bí àgbàlagbà tá a mọ̀ pé kò lè rìn so à gbìyànjú nípa ètò yẹn láti lè jẹ́ kí a lọ síbẹ̀ ká lè wò wọ́n pé òkè ṣé nǹkan tá a lè ṣe ní ojú ẹsẹ̀ ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tàbí pé bóyá a máa tún láti padà wá láti lè wá fún wọn ní ètò yẹn.
ẹ ṣe àwọn agbègbè tẹ́ ti máa ṣe yẹn gangan ṣe ẹ lè tún sọ fáwọn nǹkan bí wọn.
ok ètò ìlera tá a gbé kalẹ̀ ó máa ọjọ́ 12 gbáko la máa fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀ a máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀ ní on the 22nd.
hello ya ẹ káàárọ̀ OSBC television ẹ já sí ẹ ṣeun ìbéèrè yín.
ìbéèrè ni pé kí ẹjọ́ tí èèyàn bá ní àǹfààní láti ti lára àwọn bọ́ọ̀lù kábọ̀mẹ̀ tó ṣé èèyàn lè ṣàǹfààní ẹ̀ láti wá síbi ètò ẹ̀.
ẹ ṣe ní ọlọ́wọ́ tá à ń ṣe báyìí àfẹ́ kó ju agbègbè ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ 4 yẹn lọ́wọ́ báyìí níbi ọdún tó ń bọ̀ ọlọ́run lè gbogbo tí ń ṣe dé bá bí mo ṣe sọ pé a ní lọ́kàn láti ṣe káàkiri gbogbo ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ṣùgbọ́n lọ́wọ́ tá a wà báyìí ọwọ́ agbègbè ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ 4 yẹn là ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ báyìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
hello ìyẹn ti lọ ẹ fẹ́ ka àwọn ibi tí ó ti wáyé fún.
ok bẹ́ẹ̀ ni so níbi tó ti máa wáyé bí mo ṣe ń sọ a sọ pé ọjọ́ 12 gbáko ni ètò ìlera yìí ló máa fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ ibi tá a ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni a máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ láyédáadé ní gbọ̀ngàn ní St. Paul's Cathedral ibẹ̀ láti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ 22.
hello orúkọ níbo lẹ ti ń pè é.
kéde èèyàn bá wá láti ilé kájọ lóṣù rẹ̀ tó wá bóyá ọmọ ilé ìwé tọ́lọ́ bá tẹ̀lé ṣé ẹnì gbàgbọ́ bí àti ẹni ló bá gbọ́ ìdúró jẹ́ ẹni ó láǹfààní àwọn tó wà ní kúlọ̀ láti kò lóye ìwádìí wọn láǹfààní rẹ̀.
ìbéèrè ọjẹmọ tẹ̀kan náà
pé ṣé àwọn tí
ẹni
tí ò sí ní
ẹjẹ ń fún lápẹẹrẹ kan sí bóyá ọmọ ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ Òṣogbo ni mí ṣùgbọ́n gbọ̀ngàn ni mò ń gbé ṣé mo lè jàǹfààní.
ẹ lè jàǹfààní ẹ torí bí tẹ́ ń gbé gangan nìyẹn ẹ lè jàǹfààní ẹ.
kì í ṣe dandan ni pé kó jẹ́ ọmọ.
rárá o tẹ́ bá ti ń gbé ní agbègbè ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ tá ti ń ṣe nǹkan yìí gangan ẹ lè jàǹfààní ẹ. ṣé o ti yẹ yín bẹ́yẹn ọmọ gbọ̀ngàn tó ń gbé ní Ilé Ifẹ̀.
ló jàǹfààní.
no ọmọ kò ní wá láti Ifẹ̀ torí Ifẹ̀ ló ń gbé tí o ti kò lè yí sí fún ẹnìyẹn gan láti máa rìn láti wá láti bẹ̀yẹn wá sí bíbá yìí so àwọn tó ń gbé ní agbègbè yẹn tó ń dẹ̀ jọ mọ ìrọ̀rùn yẹn là ń wò gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tẹ́ ti sọ pé bóyá ẹni tára rèé yẹn tẹ́ sọ pé báwo la ṣe máa lọ sílé ẹ̀ ni láti lọ gbé àdúrà la ṣe fẹ́ ṣe so bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kọ́tà ń wò kankan ni.
ẹ ṣe ń kára àwọn.
ok so nǹkan bí gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ ibi tí ètò yẹn ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní gbọ̀ngàn ní on the 22nd lọ́jọ́ kejìlélógún oṣù kọkànlá tá a wà nínú ẹ̀ yìí ní St. Paul's Cathedral ọjọ́ tó tẹ̀lé ọjọ́ which is 23rd ó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní Ọdẹ Òmu ló ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní community hall lọ́dẹ Òmu ní ọjọ́ Friday on the 24th a máa tún ṣe ní Ọdẹ Òmu àwọn èèyàn Ọdẹ Òmu àti Tọ́nkẹ́rẹ́ wọ́n kóra jọpọ̀ ní town hall níbẹ̀ then ní ọjọ́ Saturday on the 25th ní àwọn èèyàn Wákàjáyé àti Gbọ̀ngàn wọ́n wà ní ààfin Kábíyèsí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn èèyàn ti máa bẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn ètò yìí pátápátá fọ́jọ́ méjìlá yìí aago 9 àárọ̀ ni ètò ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni then láti àwọn ti Gbọ̀ngàn Wákàjáyé tí wọ́n máa wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ Kábíyèsí.
ẹ káàárọ̀
o.
ẹ káàárọ̀.
kí lorúkọ yín.
ẹ jọ tá a lè wá láti bí Ẹdẹ a lè wá láti Ẹdẹ tó ṣe pé tá a bá wá tá a máa rí ìwòsàn yẹn gbàjọ yẹn.
wọ́n ní sáwọn lè wá látẹ̀lé.
gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ àwọn tí wọ́n wà ní agbègbè ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ mẹ́rin yẹn là ń wò lọ́wọ́ báyìí so nǹkan tá a ní lọ́kàn báyìí nìyẹn.
wọ́n ń gbé
à ń gbé bọ̀ lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run máa gbàdúrà fún wa.
lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ni ẹ jẹ́ ń wá bí ẹ bá wọn béèrè báyìí nísìnyí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mi ti ń ka àwọn ibi tá ti.
ẹ̀ẹ́ka àṣìlápẹ̀dá bí èèyàn bá wá ń bọ̀ tó jẹ́ ọmọ ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin o káàdì ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú wo ni kó mú dání fẹ́ fi tètè dá lóhùn.
gbogbo ètò tá a gbé kalẹ̀ yìí kò ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú kankan rárá níwọ̀n ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé ẹni tí ìwọ tó bá ti ń gbé ní agbègbè ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ mẹ́rin yẹn tá a dárúkọ yẹn gangan ni ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ tó wù kó jẹ́ ibi tó wù kó máa ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ tó wù kó jẹ́ ẹ̀sìn tó wù kó máa ṣe kò ní nǹkan kan ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ṣáà ti wá síbẹ̀ a ṣàyẹ̀wò fún ẹ àmọ́ nǹkan tó bá ṣe àdé fún ẹ ní nǹkan tó bá yẹ ká fún ẹ oògùn wà tá máa fáwọn tán ní bóyá ẹni irú onírúurú àpẹẹrẹ máa fàìsàn sí wa ṣùgbọ́n oògùn wà rẹpẹtẹ glasses wà fáwọn tó ní tójú ń dùn so kò ń ṣe pé bí oògùn ti wà ó wà nílẹ̀ rẹpẹtẹ.
ẹ jẹ́ mi lè béèrè kan ṣé dókítà lẹ́yìn.
èmi ò kì í ṣe dókítà.
sẹ́yìn náà ẹ mọ̀ dáyàn ló àìbọ̀lẹ̀ tó ráwọn tó mọ̀ dáyàn ló.
ok
ẹ̀já ẹ káàárọ̀ o wọ́n ti kà ó.
ok bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ èmi ò kì í ṣe dókítà ṣùgbọ́n tá a bá fẹ́ ṣerú nǹkan tó lágbára báyìí a ti ní àjọṣepọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn láti Faculty of Clinical Sciences College of Health Sciences that is Ọbáfẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ University àti àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ nípa ètò ìlera àwọn ni wọ́n wà mí ò kì í ṣe elétò ìlera mi ò ṣe kí n ṣe dókítà ṣùgbọ́n àwọn yẹn la pè láti OAU àti Ọ̀ṣun State Hospitals Management Board àwọn ni wọ́n máa fún wa ní àwọn dókítà tí wọ́n wà tí wọ́n yẹ̀ wá wò tí wọ́n sì fún wa ní oògùn tó péye láti lè tọ́jú nǹkan tó bá ń ṣe wá.
tẹ́bọ̀rì ó tún láwọn kan tẹ́ pé tó bá fa irú ètò yìí kalẹ̀ wọ́n máa ń rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí opportunity láti polówó ilé ìwòsàn wọn bóyá wọ́n lè ṣàyẹ̀wò tó bá ṣàyẹ̀wò pé irú nǹkan báyìí ló ń ṣe wọn wọ́n tó wá ní máa bọ̀ ní ilé ìwòsàn mi kó wá gbàtọ́jú tó péye ibi tó ti máa gbowó bọ̀ ọ̀fẹ́ náà pé ṣé irú eléyìí ò ní bẹ́ẹ̀.
ní ọ̀fẹ́ ní ìtọ̀dọ̀ tiwa kò dẹ̀ ní rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
so àwọn tí ẹ bá lè tọ́jú lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ gan tẹ bá ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ síbòmí ọ̀fẹ́ náà lẹ́wà.
bẹ́ẹ̀ nítorí ẹ̀ nǹkan tá a fi ṣe náà ni pé tá a bá ṣe sọ pé káwọn èèyàn máa gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe béèrè lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé nípa àwọn èèyàn tó bá ń bọ̀ a ti fún àwọn èèyàn ní fọ́ọ̀mù pé òkè ẹ kọ orúkọ yín ẹ̀kọ́ nọ́mbà irú àwọn tá a bá ti tọ́jú tá a bá mọ̀ pé òkè bóyá ó ṣe pé tá a bá ti fún wọn ní ètò ìtọ́jú yẹn nìkan níbẹ̀ yẹn ó parí síbẹ̀ rárá àwọn míì wà tó jẹ́ pé tá a bá ti fún wọn létò yẹn tán a ní láti tún máa láti tún máa wádìí pé ṣé nǹkan tá a ṣe fún yín o ṣé ó ti ṣiṣẹ́ o tí ò bá ti ṣe tó bá jẹ́ pé nǹkan mìíràn ta tó lè ṣe even after tí ètò yìí bá ti parí so that kò ní sínú pé tá a bá ti ṣe tán báyìí ó tán náà nìyẹn pé ògùn ẹ̀tọ́ nǹkan báyìí no kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ so àwọn tí ó bá jẹ́ pé a ní àǹfààní láti tún ràn lọ́wọ́ láfta àgbà yẹn a sì máa ní láti máa follow up.
kí lorúkọ yín o. ìbéèrè yín. ìbéèrè yín o ti gbé ẹ̀yin wa ẹ má gbàgbé ọmọọba Dọ̀tun Babayẹmí wọ́n ní àwọn ni wọ́n ṣe kò kárí ètò yìí ẹ̀ló.
ẹ̀ló à ń gbọ́ yín.
ẹ dákun ó tẹ̀sí náà jáde ní ìhẹ́ àmọ́ ẹgbẹ́ agbègbè mẹ́rin tẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀.
wọ́n ní kẹ́ ẹ sáré sọ ọ̀gbìn mẹ́rin.
agbègbè mẹ́rin tá a sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ sà ẹ káàárọ̀ bàbá Ayédáadé local government Ìrèwọlé local government Ìṣọ̀kan local government àti Ìwó local government ní àwọn elétò yìí láti máa ṣàgbékalẹ̀
lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
ó yẹ wá ka àwọn venue tẹ́tì.
ok so bí mo ṣe ń sọ lọ ṣé kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ again. ok fáfàní àwọn tí ò ti gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ọjọ́ méjìlá gbáko la máa fi ṣe ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ọjọ́ 22 oṣù tá a wà nínú èyí Wednesday 22nd of November 2017 ibi tá a ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀ ó ní Ayédáadé ní gbọ̀ngàn ibi tí wọ́n àwọn èèyàn ti máa péjọpọ̀ ibẹ̀ ní St Paul's Cathedral ibẹ̀ láti máa péjọ ibẹ̀ ní ilé ètò yìí ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo ètò yìí fún ọjọ́ méjìlá ẹ̀ aago 9 àárọ̀ ló ṣì ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ so láti ọjọ́ Wednesday yẹn ọjọ́ Thursday a máa bọ́ sí ọdẹ òmu wọ́n máa pé papọ̀ ní community hall ní ọdẹ òmu ibẹ̀ làwọn èèyàn ti máa wà tí a ti máa ṣe ìtọ́jú wọn tó bá di ọjọ́ Friday tó jẹ́ ọjọ́ 24th àwọn ará ọdẹ òmu àti tọ́nkẹ́rẹ́ wọ́n pàdé ní town hall níbẹ̀ ibẹ̀ náà láti máa rí wọn tó bá dọjọ́ Saturday tó jẹ́ ọjọ́ 25th àwọn èèyàn gbọ̀ngàn Wákàjáyé wọn wá sí Kábíyèsí Palace ní ààfin Kábíyèsí ibẹ̀ ni a ti máa ṣe yẹn tó bá di ọjọ́ Sunday 26th of November àwọn èèyàn orílẹ̀ wọn wà ní sí court hall ibẹ̀ ni àwọn èèyàn ti máa péjọ papọ̀ sí ọjọ́ Monday àwọn èèyàn Ìrèwọlé Ìkirè wọn wá sí Palace hall ní Ìkirè ọjọ́ Tuesday bákan náà ni ọjọ́ Wednesday àwọn èèyàn Ìrèwọlé Ọdẹ́yìnká wọ́n wá sí iwájú ààfin ọba ibẹ̀ láti máa ṣe yẹn ọjọ́ Thursday àwọn èèyàn Ìṣọ̀kan Àpòmù wọ́n wá sí Àpòmù hall níjọ́ Thursday which is 30th of November ọjọ́ Friday tó jẹ́ December 1st àwọn èèyàn Ìṣọ̀kan àti Ìkòyí wọ́n wá sí town hall then ọjọ́ Saturday 2nd of December àwọn èèyàn Ìwó àti àwọn èèyàn gbogbo Ìwó àtàgbègbè rẹ̀ wọ́n wá sí Ìwó hall then ọjọ́ Sunday yẹn tó jẹ́ on the 3rd of December jẹ́ ọjọ́ yẹn gangan lè tó yẹn máa parí wọ́n wá sí ìjọ Sunday bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn èèyàn àwọn ará Ìwó àtàgbègbè rẹ̀ wọ́n wá sí Ìwó City Hall so ibẹ̀ ìjọ yẹn ni a máa mú ètò yẹn wá sí ìparí.
tá a bá rí ẹni tó wà ní ọdẹ òmu tí ò rí ṣe ṣó lè wá sí Ìwó ní àsìkò tó bá kan àwọn ará Ìwó tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé local government.
ó lè wá tó bá ti jẹ́ pé orúkọ láti fún wọn ní orúkọ so tó orúkọ bá ti wà lára àwọn tá a ti ní lọ́wọ́ a máa àṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a máa dá lóhùn.
àwọn tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ti lùkọ́ lọ́wọ́ báyìí wọn ò lè wá níjọ́ náà.
no wọ́n lè wá kò ń ṣe pé wọ́n lè wá wọ́n lè wá tá a bá ti lè ṣèwádìí pé òkè ibi tá bẹ́ẹ̀ ni so tá a bá ti ṣèwádìí yẹn ó ti parí.
báwo lẹ ṣe rí àwọn orúkọ yẹn gbà.
gbẹ́gbà ṣe ni pé bí mo ṣe sọ fún yín ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ àti fi fọ́ọ̀mù sílẹ̀ ìdí tá a fi ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni pé orúkọ wọn so that tá a bá ṣètò yìí fún wọn bóyá láfítà tí ètò ìbá tán bóyá a ní láti ṣe follow up pé ok o nǹkan tá a ṣe mọ́ ẹ báyìí ṣé ó wà ṣó ṣiṣẹ́ o ṣáà ti yá sí o so fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn sì báyìí a ní lọ́wọ́ so ilé ajá ká lè ní pé ok àwọn èèyàn báyìí náà wá sí bíbá yìí o nǹkan báyìí la ṣe fún wọn báyìí so kò ní sí gbọ́n mi sí omi òtó kankan níbẹ̀.
àkókò wa ojú ìṣẹ́jú méjì mẹ́ta lọ́mọ mo fẹ́ bí ìbéèrè méjì àkọ́kọ́ irú àwọn tí wọ́n ti tẹ́tí lórúkọ wọn yẹn tán bá ń bọ̀ torí tẹ́ bá wo èrò tí ẹ fẹ́ dá lóhùn èrò tó pọ̀ ní tẹ́ bá sì wo tẹ́ fi gbé kinní ìkalẹ̀ owó ńláńlá ni èlò nìkan mú dání fọwọ́ fún ọ tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣàyẹn náà ìjọ náà ara ẹ̀ ni.
bẹ́ẹ̀ olóòtú kò sí ẹnìkan kò gbọdọ̀ mówó kankan wá ọ̀fẹ́ ni ọ̀fẹ́ ni ọ̀fẹ́ ni
bàbá fọ rẹ̀ lórí.
lóò rárá o ọ̀fẹ́ ni o ẹnìkan kò gbọdọ̀ mówó kankan lọ́wọ́ ṣáà ti wá bó ṣe máa débi tá a ti ń ṣe ètò yìí ó parí.
ẹ fi nọ́mbà fóònù yín ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ tọ́lá àwọn èèyàn máa pè é.
ok nọ́mbà tẹ̀lé pè wá sí nọ́mbà méjì ní alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ 081 255 37 500 081 255 37 500 nọ́mbà kejì 081 22 3007 081 22 12 3007.
ẹ ṣe gan ni so ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ṣì ní àwọn ìbéèrè tí ẹ fẹ́ béèrè ẹ lè pè wọ́n sí orí àwọn nọ́mbà tí wọ́n kà kalẹ̀.
tẹ́sí máa gbé tó máa ti.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọkọ̀ 24 hours ni.
kìsìkì bátìrì.
kò sí nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ bátìrì ò lè kú.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sayo.
ẹ ṣe mo dúpẹ́ ilé
Thank you so much.
Here to represent Favour, Kindness and Grace Foundation, a foundation that has taken it upon itself to see to the educational and health needs of the indigent people. When it is education, we know the target people, but when it comes to health, it has no particular target beneficiary. It cuts across, and it's taken off across 4 local governments, Ayédáadé, Irewole,
Ìṣọ̀kan and
Iwo. The program commences on the 22nd of this month and we end on the 3rd of next month. That will be a Sunday. The program starts every day 9 a.m. and only those who are resident in the 4 local governments are the beneficiaries for now. Maybe before the year runs out, if the foundation we pray is able to pull enough resources it will still move to other
exactly.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you for coming on.
Thank you, madam.
We have to drop the curtains now and we still have to reopen it in a matter of seconds.